Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. So today is the day 4 of Python Selenium by the grace of Allah. So today we will check drop down in Python Selenium. Okay. So today we will focus on the Wikipedia website. So first of all we open our Wikipedia website. So here I open my Wikipedia website wikipedia.org. So here is my Wikipedia website. You see here. So we will work on this website today. Okay. So first of all, we copy the link and paste in our script. So how we can open the website in the Python Selenium by the driver dot get, and after bracket and enter the path, enter the link which we website open. So we will see the Wikipedia website is open or not. So today we will use the Firefox browser. Okay, so we will work on the Firefox browser. So basically, we will learn the drop down. So what is the drop down? So I will tell you what is the drop down. Wait, it will open up. So you will see. So in any website which you automate the website, so we will automate the Wikipedia website today. So drop down mean like if there is like that, if there is many language present in there, Castine, Africans, Al Arabia. So it is the drop down in any website. So how we select any language from this? So basically we select like if we select mm, if we select the Latina language, so where is the Latina here? Okay, so how we will select the Latina language? So this is the drop down. So today we see how we select the Latina language. So we write our the code. So the code is very simple. First of all, we will store in the variable like my select sorry, that's spelling mistake. My select is equal to driver dot find element by. So here you find the. So here we inspect. So here we inspect and check what we will see. So here we have present ID. So we will use ID in our script. So we copy this search language and here we use ID and paste here search language. Okay. And after that, so here we underscore use. So we use underscore, and after that we will also use the variable like select, declare the variable, and we use select. So this is the new what is select. So if you get the error because we will import, or I have already import this library select. So so it will select the like it will select the search language, which language you wanna, so which language we will want. So it select the language. Okay, so here we add this in our bracket search. Okay, sorry, my select, and after that select, press select dot select by value. So you see select by value. So here we no we will use select, we will use like dot select by visible text. Okay, so visible text. So here we write the language name. So my language name is Latina. Okay, so the new word we will see select. So basically select will work like if we select any language. So first of all, it's search is search the language, and after that it will select this language. Okay, and after that it will visible the language Latina. It will automatically select the Latina. Okay, and after that we add time. We check like 2 seconds. Okay, so we run our script and check it will work or not. Okay, it will select automatically the Latina language or not. So you will see it will open the website and you see it will automatically select the Latina language. Okay. So after that we will see that if in the interview if the interviewer asks that how you check the how many languages are present in Wikipedia, that how many languages that how much is language is present in this. So write this script. Okay, so how can we find the total number of the languages? So we'll see how we find the total number of the languages. So we delete this code and write. So we declare the variable like option tag equal to, so driver dot find. So here we add the elements because we find multiple things like how many languages are present. So we will use here elements. Okay, and here we will see inspect and see the, so you will see this is the option. So here you see this is the option and the option that is the value is equal to AF African. So this is the option. So we will use tag name. So the tag name is option. So you will see that in the languages it will use option. So we will add in our script by dot tag name. So we use tag name and the, you see it is the option. So we will use here option. Okay, so and after that print length of the, so it will calculate the length of all the languages. So here we declare the variable which name is option tag and print this. So it will give me the how many languages are present. It will give me the answer in number, that how many languages is present. Okay, so we will check it will give me the answer in values or not. So the code is successfully run. So you see it will give me the 73. So the total number is the total language is in Wikipedia is present is 73. And how we check like that how many attributes in the that how many attributes like so we'll check the attributes like how many attributes are present, how many attributes are present in the Wikipedia. Like so what is the attribute? So the attribute is basically like you will see this name is AST AST and this name is AZ. So this is the short form of the languages. So basically this is the attributes. So we will check the attributes. Okay, so we and also we will use the for loop. So as it is, so here we use the for loop for I in option tag, and here we print the like text is and comma I dot text. Sorry, I dot text. So we will check what is the output of this line. Okay. So it give the it gives the name of the languages. Okay. So it will give the name of the languages. So we check it will give the name or not. So we'll print the names of the languages. So you will see it will print all the languages name and how we can also the short form of the name, like we will check the short form is AZ, this form the short form this country name short form is AST. We'll check how we also show the short form. So the language is comma I dot get attribute, and we will see. So you will see this is the language. So the language is the variable where the short forms are stored of the languages. Okay. So we use language in our script. So language. Okay. So it get the attributes from this command. Okay. So you will see it will also print the short forms of the languages or not. Sorry, I am very tired, so that's why. So it will open our website. So we check. So you see, it will give also the short names. Okay. Okay, sorry, there is a mistake of spelling mistake. So you see, text is Latina, the language is LA. This is the short form. So here you also get the attributes, and also we will see that okay. So today we finish our video. So tomorrow we will see. Okay. So we will see how to uh, count the total links in the website, like how many links are present in the Wikipedia. Like this is the link. And the link is basically that if I press this, it will automatically open this page. So this is the link. So we'll check how we will open the count. So we will find the total links number. Okay. So which is present in the website. Assalamu alaikum.